Follow these simple steps to install the replacement waste ink pad. Firstly, remove the ink waste tray from the packaging provided and set both the tray and the wipes aside. Pull the ink drawer out from the side of your franking machine. Remove the ink waste tray. Put the used ink waste tray in the packaging that your new ink pad came in. Insert the new ink waste tray into the ink drawer and then close the drawer. Once you've successfully replaced the ink waste tank pad, then go to your franking machine and select the Options button. Then press Page Down, select Maintenance, then select Printer Maintenance, then select Page Down to select Replace Waste Tank. At that point, it will ask you to confirm and then select OK. Then select Yes, Tray is replaced, and then press the Home button.